How to connect Sony Smart TV with mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sony Smart TV with mobile. Step 1. What is screen mirroring? First, let's talk about screen mirroring, also called Mirrorcast. This works best with Android phones. On your Sony TV, grab your remote and go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet, and select Screen Mirroring or Wi-Fi Direct. Make sure it's turned on your Android phone. Now, on your phone, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings menu. Look for Cast, Smart View or Screen Mirroring. Tap it and select your Sony TV from the list. In a few seconds, your phone screen should appear on the TV. Step 2. Google Cast. If your Sony TV has Chromecast built in, you can cast videos from YouTube, Netflix, and more. Here's how. Open a compatible app like YouTube on your phone. Tap the cast icon in the top corner of the screen. Choose your Sony TV, and the video will start playing on your TV instantly. This works on both Android and iPhone. Step 3. HDMI cable. Optional wired method. Prefer the wired connection? So you can use a HDMI cable with an adapter. For Android, use a USB-C to HDMI adapter. For iPhone, use a Lightning to HDMI adapter from Apple. Connect the adapter to your phone and plug the HDMI cable into your TV. Switch your TV input to HDMI and your phone screen will be mirrored. And that's it. Remember, your phone and TV must connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Some options may look different depending on your TV or phone model. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your mobile phone to a Sony Smart TV, wirelessly or with a cable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next time.